Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone, to Islamic Kids Arts. I know we've been gone for a long time. Today, we're gonna draw.
Let's go scribble.
We're gonna draw. We're not gonna do scribbles. We're gonna draw a pizza. Pizza can be a little wobbly and wiggly. Okay, you don't have to make it perfect. So, wait. Just wait. I know you're excited. I know you're super excited, like everyone. So we're gonna draw a line like this.
See? I want to draw one like that. Like this?
Yeah, but a slanted, a little slanted. Yeah, go. Bismillah, go. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Okay, nice. And then we're gonna curve it around to finish it off. So we'll go up here like a curve. Oh wow. And then let's go around like this. Nice. And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna do like a maybe like a arch or like a bridge like this.
Mine like tilted like this.
Like this.
Is that okay?
See this? Boop. Curve up. Okay, that's fine. Yep. Okay, and then we're gonna go down. Look, we're gonna go. Just watch my hand, and then we're gonna go down like this.
Like
Yeah,
this.
a curve down. Yeah, and then curve across. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go down like this, and then down. So from here,
Hmm?
go down like this,
Like
and
this?
connect it down here. Yeah, yeah, connect it.
Like this?
Yeah, connect it. Yes. So we're gonna make a little U shape, like a teardrop.
Like this?
Yeah, curve it up. Yeah. Yep, nice. Okay. And we're gonna continue across and down this way, like this, like down slanted this way, like that. Yeah. Straight line. Yes. Okay, beautiful. So we're gonna start from here, which is on mine here. Just watch me. And we're gonna just curve it up and then down. So curve, yeah, up and then down. Meet it at the bottom. Meet it. Yes. I like it. From here, we're gonna do another curve.
Now the
So here,
curve from here?
yeah, from there, and a curve like down this way, towards my finger. Yep, that's it. And then we're gonna do another like a U shape teardrop. Okay, so just watch me. Okay. See, I just curve down and then up, and then back up. Yes. Up. Perfect. Remember, it's pizza, so pizzas always look different, right? Wavy line from here, we're gonna connect it back here, okay? So you can go from here and back to here, okay? So let's wait. Now wait for me and then watch. Just anyway, all the way up, and just connect it right here. Yep, all the way up. Yep, right there. Beautiful. See, so starting to look like a pizza, right? You have a long, extra large size, right? It's looking good, right?
Does that look better?
Yeah, it looks great. We're gonna add some halal pepperoni. Okay? So let's do one over here. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but I'll show you. Wait, just wait for me. Like this. Yeah. Nice. Alright. And I'm gonna add one right here, so you wait for me. A little bit bigger, this one. Like an oval shape. Yes. Okay. And I'm gonna draw another one right here. Do you want to add some more? Maybe one right here. Yummy. You want to add another pepperoni, or you think that's enough? Like maybe one here, a small one. Nice. Now we're gonna just add a little bit of lines for the cheese, just to show it like dripping. Add a little over here. Yeah, just around. Yeah, and then another wiggly line right here. Around any of them. Pick any of them. You could draw a little wiggly line around the edge of it. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, just like that. Anywhere. I'm gonna add another one right here. You can add one right here, maybe. Nice. Okay, here, let's move it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna do on the other side of it, right here. Up on this side, like right here. Yeah, nice. And then another tiny one right here. Bloop. You can pick any one, yeah, tiny one, little line. Yeah. Here too, just for fun, right there. Okay, you think you're okay? Okay, so let's add just maybe a couple more wiggly lines just for the cheese dripping, like melting, like right here. So I added one right there. You could add one right here, maybe. Yeah, just like a little wiggly line. It's just to show the cheese how it's like all wrinkly and melting and stretchy. Nice. I'm gonna add like a little teardrop one here, like you add right here, like a U shape. It's like dripping down, like drip. Yeah. You guys can add other stuff if you want. You can add like a little rectangle, and that's like a maybe pineapple. If you like pineapple, you like pineapples? Yeah. So okay, nice. See, you're adding a rectangle piece, a pineapple piece. We can color it yellow after, or if you like olives, green olives, um, or anything else. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna color it. Okay, guys, we're back. So we just finished coloring our halal pepperoni pizza. You added some toppings on yours, right? What'd you put?
Pepperoni and what is this called?
Pineapple?
Pineapple
Pineapple pizza?
and
Some people don't like it. And what's that one? I see a green little circle. Green olives? Yeah, those are one of my favorites.
you don't like these?
I like it. It's okay. But I know that's your favorite. Pineapple and some pepperoni pizza, some halal pepperoni.
People don't like these kind of.
No, some people don't, but some people like certain toppings, right? So you guys, when you guys draw it, you can put any toppings you want: mushrooms, olives, peppers, tomatoes, chicken, anything you want on your pizza, and then yeah, you guys can send it in to us and show us on Instagram. You can tell us what you drew in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.